Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am totally inspired by the movie Saw, and for today I'm gonna make the Billy character from the movie. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. Before I started filming, I just quickly blocked my eyebrows using a bit of Prosade, brushing the hair up and powdering it with a bit of setting powder. And I also popped my sclera lenses in, as there is going to be a lot of latex on my skin today. I thought it would be easier just to do this in advance than at the end of the video. So these are the Billy lenses from the movie Saw. They have the red iris and the rest is black. So as I just said, I'm gonna work with liquid latex today. I created a liquid latex paste. If you want to know how to create a paste just like this one, please watch the other video I have on how to work with and create your own liquid latex paste. For today I'm just gonna apply this to the skin and try to create Billy. So I quickly googled a reference photo so I know what I need to do to become Billy. I'm gonna work from my forehead down, as that is the easiest, and then the layers of latex can dry while I work on the next bit. So I'm gonna start out with the eyebrows and the forehead, which are basically just scary puppet eyebrows. So working with a liquid latex paste is loads of fun, or at least I think it's loads of fun. It isn't that difficult to do. You just need a bit of patience for it to dry. So it really has these very forward eyebrows, which I will create first. So it doesn't immediately do what you want it to do, liquid latex paste, but you can shape it a bit once it is on the skin. Do be careful for your hair when you are working with liquid latex. So I protected my eyebrows, but I don't want to get it in my hair, so I need to be careful with that. I think there is enough liquid latex on the eyebrows, so now I will just get some regular latex without any of the flour mixed in it to shape those eyebrows until I have what I see in the picture. Just to make the paint job easier at the end, I will cover my forehead in liquid latex as well. So the texture is almost the same everywhere on my skin. So there will definitely be a lot of latex today. Let's continue to the nose. Yes, that is a nice base for the nose. I think there should be a little layer on top of it to make it more into a puppet nose, but for the base I am happy. The next thing I will do are the cheeks, which are the most important bit of this makeup, obviously. Okay, let's make some cheeks. So this cheek definitely should be a bit higher and rounder, but I think that this is the maximum height I can put on there at once. So I'm just gonna let the top layer dry, and then I will add a bit more of the liquid latex once that is done. So I'll quickly try to do the same thing on the other cheek. Yes, this is definitely the maximum height before it will fall down. So let me quickly sculpt that in the same shape as I did the other side. And a bit of latex on the chin as well. A new batch of the liquid latex paste. I'll try to make this part first. On to the coloring, and I will start with black today. I will make my neck and my hairline black. I have a solid by Pro Air to do this with. This is a waterproof makeup which you need to activate with the Pro Long, also by Pro Air. So yes, just make black what needs to be black. So my entire neck and a bit of the top of my face. Yes, that is enough with the black. I'm continuing to white, and for this I have Senyo White. Basically because it's a liquid makeup and it's easy to apply to the skin, but you can use water-based face paint, you can use an alcohol-based face paint, and you can also use this one, of course. So I'm gonna apply this to the skin using a big brush. Okay, there is no escaping this. I need to make those circles on my cheeks, and as I don't have the steadiest hand in face painting, this is really something that I am not really comfortable with, but I need to make them, otherwise I can't finish this makeup. So here goes nothing. Okay, so that is not perfect, but it's on there. And let's screw up the other one as well. Oh no. Well, maybe in the end it will all look okay. Oh God, they need to be so nice and neat and clean. Well. I will probably make this a Billy inspired makeup. Now I messed these up this much. But wow, they are on. So it will be a Billy inspired makeup anyway, because I have a long haired wig for this one. Which makes it into a girl-like face. So yeah, Billy inspired it is. I have the Cool Glam palette by Ben Nye, just to put a few shadows in this makeup. And I'm using the dark gray color to put these shadows in, because all white seemed to be just a bit too white, if you know what I mean. Yes, I think it is time to get my wig and my costume on and see how much Billy inspired I got today. And there it is, the black wig and the costume. I probably should have ironed the bow tie that is on the costume, but nevertheless, this is my Billy inspired makeup all finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Of course, if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and I hope to see you back next time.